What's up, guys? So let's analyze Tesla. Now, since March last year, we've rallied quite a bit, and we are now kind of forming this trend line and support line crossover. Now, if we add some indicators, let's check the EMA. Sorry, let's check the 200-day EMA. So, as you can see, we've been trading above the 200-day EMA this whole time, which was this trend here, and now we broke below it, but we reached some kind of stop at the 550 levels, which means we could still rally higher from here, even though we are not within the trend any longer. But I mean, we could see a typical bearish triangle, which could end up being something like this. So this would still mean that we would rally from here. So for the trade, it would be something like this. We are currently at about 560. Now the stop loss would be, in this case, somewhere around 500. Depends how close you want to make it. You could use the previous lows of these two candlesticks, which would be around 540. 500 would be around here, which is the next support line, which is where the previous resistance line was. And you could target back to maybe 600, or wait, maybe we will go even higher. If you're a long-term investor, I mean, you could target back to 900, 800, or even beyond. But the thing at the moment with Tesla is that the risk-reward ratio is very small, because, like I said, the stop loss could be at around 500, or take the last two candlesticks here at 540. Doesn't really matter. Now, if we take a look at the weekly chart, let's change the EMA. So the 20, well, maybe not 20, maybe the 50. So, as you can see, we are exactly at the 50-day EMA or 50 weekly EMA on the weekly chart. And let's add some indicators. Now, if we look at the RSI and the MACD, we've been on a downtrend since November last year here as well, while we're going up since November last year here, which means we could form a bullish divergence and jump much higher from here. If we take a look at the monthly chart, Let's quickly get rid of all those things. Let's change the EMA to the 20 EMA. Let's change it to the 9 EMA. Now, we've been trading alongside the 9 EMA, and recently we've broken below it on the monthly chart, however, which means we could retest the 20 EMA on the monthly. If you want to take a little bit of a smaller risk but a bigger stop loss, your trade could be something like this. But I would trade with a small amount in this case. So you could buy now at 550 and maybe put a stop loss at 400, but target back to 800. I don't know. Might take a couple of weeks or months, but this would be another option. Just make sure that you trade safely and maybe with some smaller amounts. So that was the analysis of Tesla.